YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here once more, and I'm here to talk about the DJI Mavic Air in 2021. My thoughts on it. Roll intro. So why am I talking about a drone which came out back in early 2018? That's a couple years ago. So here's my deal about it. It's good. I can work with it. It's good for my traveling vlogs, you know, when I kind of put it in my camera bag. There's no hassle or anything like that. The battery life on it is okay. It lasts about 21 minutes. It shoots 4K 30 at 100 megabits per second. Is still an amazing camera in 2021, I must say, even though it's a bit outdated for some people. With a 12 megapixel camera, well, it shoots raw, and yeah, I can actually edit those pictures in post fairly well. It still gets the job done. Flight time on the Mavic Air is about 21 minutes. Thereabouts. It all depends on how you use it, because if you use it in sports mode, you know that the 21 minutes is not 21 minutes again. The image quality from it is pretty amazing. I'm surprised by it same way, because if I should put it between the Mavic Mini, which I had, which shoots 2.7K compared to the 4K which the Mavic Air shoots. So if I should put the two of them together, you probably wouldn't know the difference, right? But I've been using this drone for quite some time now. Well, since when did I get the drone? I think I got the drone in about January, February, March, April, May. I think I got it around March or thereabout. I've already made back my money from the drone because it's pretty cheap right now. Because I think when it just came out, it was about, I'm not sure of the price. I'll put the price down below, but it's on Amazon now for like $5.99, and it is one of the cheapest good enough drones that you can buy right now. I wouldn't recommend the Mavic Mini, because I lost my Mavic Mini when I went to LUMIX. I'm like, yeah, got some dope content, and I'm like, yeah man, this I got good. So when I left LUMIX, I got back, and then I'm saying I am going to take my final flight. So remember this is my last flight, and so said, so done. Never, drone pilots out there, never say this is your last flight. Never. It will be a last flight. Never. I don't say that anymore. But the battery was dying, and I tried to bring it back in, even turn on sports mode to try to bring it back in, but I lost all the footage. I lost all the footage on that day. Lost the drone, everything. Then I just say, hey, what? I'm not going to buy back another Mavic Mini, because it really can't manage the wind. The Mavic Air, it's okay in the wind. I can work with it, because it's heavier than the Mavic Mini. As a traveling YouTuber, I would recommend this, even though it's a bit outdated for a lot of people, but I would still recommend this. If it should crash now, I would buy another one. I would probably try the Air 2S, because of the 5K. I would love to upgrade to that, but I'm not sure if I need to do it now. One of the key features that I love about the Mavic Air, the 8GB internal storage, because I've brought the Mavic Mini out before, and I'm like, okay, let me take it for a flight, but oops, I forgot an SD card, so you know I can't fly. So because the Mavic Air has the 8GB internal storage, I can say, yep, I can take it out, take it for a fly. If I left my memory card, I can still capture footage. When I had the Mavic Mini, it's the color grading, I never really liked it. because I couldn't shoot flat. With the Mavic Air I could shoot flat, and which gives me more room to color grade. For the Mavic Mini, there's nothing like that. I'm like, okay, there's certain, when you try and color grade it, it doesn't really look pleasing to my eyes, but I've seen some footage that can work. But I rather the Mavic Air color grade scheme because I can shoot flat. Last but not least, you see, because it can fold up and just put in one of my camera compartments in my bag, I am grateful for that DJI. I'm very grateful, because like the new DJI FPV drone, that's not really portable to me. To me, in my opinion, I don't think it's that portable. So that's it, guys. I'll see you again in the next one. Peace. I'm out.